Good morning students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. And today in SST we will continue our chapter number 5, that is life in the northern plains. So in this chapter we had already about some of the states which are the part of the northern plains like Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. And in this video today we will continue the chapter and we will study about the other states which are part of the northern plains. So in this chapter we are learning about the states that are the part of the northern plains and the important features of the state, like what are the important occupations of the people, what are the different kinds of crops that they are growing, which are the famous tourist places which are attract the people from all around the world, the traditional food, the traditional dresses. So all these things that we had already learned about some of the states like Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. So let's continue the chapter from the another state, that is Bihar. Bihar, it is the state that is the part of the northern plains. The capital of Bihar is Patna and it lies in the eastern Ganga basin. It lies in the eastern part of the Ganga basin. The main occupation of the people of Bihar is farming and cattle rearing. That people, they rear cattle in large amount. We had already discussed about this, that agriculture means not only farming or growing crops, but agriculture, it also includes the cattle rearing and fishing. So the main occupation of the people is agriculture and cattle rearing, and people rear cattle for their use, for their milk products and for meat. And they also take hardwood from the cattle, because we know that in the rural areas or in the villages, cattle are of great use in the fields. After that, the famous industries, that which are the famous industries in Bihar. So the famous industries here that are cotton spinning mills, jute mills and sugar mills. A famous variety of silk, that is the Tushar silk. Bihar is also famous for the Tushar silk, that is the variety of silk, and it is produced by the wild silkworms. After that, the famous tourist places. So there are so many tourist places in the Bihar, but Bodh Gaya, it is an important tourist place for the Buddhist. Bodh Gaya, it is an important tourist place for the Buddhist, and Bodh Gaya is the place where Gautam Buddha, he attained enlightenment. Enlightenment means the understanding, greater knowledge of a subject or substance. So Bodh Gaya is the place where Gautam Buddha, he attained understanding and greater knowledge of a subject. Nalanda is the oldest center of learning. Nalanda Vishwavidyalaya, that is the oldest center of learning in Bihar. Patna is the birthplace of Guru Gobind Singh. Patna is the another important place of Bihar, and it is the birthplace of Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th Guru of Sikhs. After that, the famous dresses of Bihar. What is the traditional dress of the people of Bihar? So men wear dhoti kurta and pajama kurta. So the men of Bihar, they wear dhoti kurta or pajama kurta, and women wear sari and blouse. So these are the all important features of the state Bihar, that the capital of Bihar is Patna and it lies in the eastern Ganga basin. After that, the occupation is farming and cattle rearing, and the major crops, yes, that are grown here are paddy, wheat, maize, sugarcane and jute. The lychees of Muzaffarpur are famous all over India. The famous industries here are the cotton spinning mills, jute mills and sugar mills, and also the famous work of Tushar Singh. The famous tourist places, that is Bodh Gaya, the famous tourist place for the Buddhist. After that, Patna, that is the birthplace of Guru Gobind Singh, and Nalanda, that have the oldest learning center. Dress, the traditional dress here, man wear dhoti kurta or pajama kurta and women wear sari and blouse. And now we will discuss about the another state, that is the West Bengal, that is also the part of Ganga basin. There are the three states which lies in the Ganga basin. We had already studied about Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and now we will discuss about the West Bengal. West Bengal is the another state that is the part of the northern plains, and it lies in the Ganga basin, and the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. The main occupation of the people is farming and fishing. Now what are the major crops that are grown here? So wheat is the major crop that is grown here, but other crops are also here like jute, wheat, potatoes and oilseed are the other crops that are grown here. But rice is the crop that is mostly grown in West Bengal. After that, the famous industries. So the famous industries here are the jute industry, textile industry, oil refinery, automobile, shipbuilding, iron and steel industry. These are the important industries, but the another important industries are also here, like the railway making industry, railway engine making industry, and the silk of Murshidabad, silk factory of Murshidabad, Durgapur, Chittaranjan. These are also the famous industrial town here in West Bengal. After that, the famous tourist place. So the famous tourist places are Fort William, Victoria Memorial, Howrah Bridge, Dakshineshwar Temple Complex, Belur Met and Shanti Niketan are the famous tourist places of West Bengal. The famous food item of the people of West Bengal, so rice and fish, it is the staple food. And the meaning of staple food means the food item that people eat regularly. So rice and fish are the staple food which people include in their regular meal. Bengali sweets, Rasgulla and Sandesh, these are also famous all around the country. After that, the traditional dress. So the traditional dress is dhoti kurta for man and sari for women. So these are the important features of the state West Bengal, that is the part of northern plains. After West Bengal, the next state is Assam, and Assam is the state that lies in the Brahmaputra basin. River Brahmaputra, it enters India from Arunachal Pradesh and flow through the state Assam, which makes the land fertile, and that's why the main occupation of the people here is agriculture. Assam, it lies in the Brahmaputra basin. The capital of Assam is Dispur, and it is one of the largest states of northeastern India. The main occupation is agriculture, and it is the river Brahmaputra which makes the land fertile. So the main occupation is here agriculture. The major crops. So which are the major crops that are grown here? So the major crops people grow here: rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane and potatoes. So these are the major crops that are grown in the Assam: rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane and potatoes. Assam is also very famous for its tea gardens, and that's why Assam is also known as the land of tea gardens. There are so many plantations of tea, and about 50% of India's tea production we get from the only state Assam. After that, the famous industries. So which are the famous industries here? So the famous industries are oil refinery industry, petrochemical and fertilizer industries, jute mills, after that sugar mills, and silk processing factories. Silk processing factories. So these are the famous industries of Assam: oil refinery industries, petrochemical and fertilizer industries, jute mills, sugar mills, and silk processing factories and industries. The famous tourist places. So the famous tourist places of Assam, that is the Kamakhya temple. That is Kamakhya temple, and Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. And Kaziranga. So Kamakhya temple and the wildlife sanctuary Manas and Kaziranga, these are the famous tourist places which attract the people from all around the world. The famous food items that the people of Assam eat. So the famous food item of the state is rice, fish, chapati and vegetable. So this is the famous food: rice, fish, chapati and vegetable. The famous dance form, traditional dance form, is the bamboo dance, and also the things, the handicraft that is done by the bamboo sticks, that is also very popular. The bamboo work of Assam is also very popular, especially the handwork in all over the India and also in the world. And the traditional dress here for man is dhoti and shirt. Man wear dhoti and shirt, and women wear mekha chadar. Their traditional dress is known as mekhla chadar. After that, we will study about Delhi, that is the Union Territory. After Assam, the next is Delhi, that is the part of Northern Plains. New Delhi, it is the capital of India, and Delhi is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh from one side and Haryana from another, three sides. River Yamuna, it flows through Delhi. So it is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh on one side, and Haryana on three sides. After that, River Yamuna, that flow through the territory. River Yamuna flow through Delhi. And New Delhi is the capital of India. After that, the famous tourist places. There are so many famous tourist places here in Delhi, like the Akshardham Temple, Jama Masjid, Qutub Minar. These are some of the Humayun's tomb. These are some of the famous tourist places here. After that, the another places are also here, like Raj Bhavan. After that, the Parliament House. So let's study about the tourist places. Tourist places. Jama Masjid, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Qutub Minar, and Purana Killa, and Purana Killa. These are famous historical monuments. Jama Masjid, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, and Purana Killa. These are the historical monuments. The other are important landmarks here, that are Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Rajghat, and India Gate. So these are all are the famous tourist places. Jama Masjid, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Purana Killa. These are the places which belongs to the ancient times. So these are the historical places. And the another important landmarks here: Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Rajghat, and India Gate. So this is our chapter about the states and Union Territory Delhi, that is the part of the Northern Plains. Thank you.